Hello everyone! Today you're only gonna see Chevy Camaro ZL1, but not just one or two, but for different models. 2013 model, 2017 model which you just watched, 2019 model, and last, 2023 model. So let's not waste any precious time.
2013 Chevy Camaro ZL1. This vehicle has a 6.2 liter V8 supercharged motor which pumps out 580 horsepower. Comes with the 20-inch painted alloy rims, Goodyear Eagle F1, 285/35 ZR20 tires in the front. Even has a little ZL1 valve stem covers on it. Brembo ZL1 brakes all the way around. No dents or dings on that front fender. It does come with the HID headlamps, the LED running lights, and the factory fog lights. Front bumper and lower valence are in really nice shape. Comes with the carbon fiber hood scoop insert, which is an option on this car, and the hood's in excellent condition as well. Some tread there. As we come around to the back, rear bumper's in nice shape, backup parking sensors, you get the quad-tipped dual rear exhaust. The deck lid is in nice shape. You also get the spoiler with the built-in tail lamp, and that is in excellent condition, no dents or dings. We'll check out the trunk in just a second. Heated power mirrors inside the ZL1 package gives you the black and dark charcoal leather and suede interior. You get the ZL1 stitched into the backrest, no rips or tears on those seats. Power driver's seat, factory ZL1 floor mats throughout. The back seats are in excellent condition as well. No rips, no tears back here. Comes with a suede wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth and audio controls on the right, flat bottom steering wheel, ZL1 logo, and cruise controls on the left. Comes with the Chevy MyLink system, AM, FM, and Sirius XM radio capabilities. There has an MGW shift handle and a 6-speed manual transmission. There's supercharged V8 motor. It does have a K&N cold air intake. Engine bay is very, very clean, runs very smooth. Like I said before, this car has been fully safetied and inspected by our service shop, has a fresh oil and filter change. All the fluids have been checked and topped off, and this car is 100% ready to go.
The 2019 Camaro ZL1 is going to start at $62,495 for the coupe, and for the convertible, $68,495, which is an extra $6,000 for the convertible there. But regardless, power plant on this beast is going to be the same. Powering the ZL1 is going to be a 6.2 liter supercharged V8 engine, putting out 650 horsepower at 6,400 RPM and 650 pound-feet of torque available at 3,600 RPM. Power is going to be sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual with active rev matching, which will come standard, and the one we have today. And that is going to give you hill start assist as well, so you don't go drifting backwards. Insanely fast for a factory-built car. Definitely amazing there. And having recently drove the Tremec 6-speed manual in the Camaro SS, I can tell you the throws are very short, easy to find the grab points, so no issues for me as far as rowing through the gears with that one. And I can also vouch for the 10-speed as well, since I do have it in my Mustang. Exhaust sound, when you have it in tour or the snow and ice mode, I'm going to show that to you guys now. You can clearly see the exhaust valves on the outside of those quad tips are going to shut, giving you kind of a quiet mode when you're in the neighborhood. However, when you put it in sport or track mode, those outside valves are going to open up and let out a beast of a growl with some amazing crackling as well to it. So you guys know what I got to do next before I go any further. As always, here is that exhaust clip. Will find 15.35-inch front rotors with Brembo 6-piston front calipers, and in the back 4-piston rear calipers. And when it comes to visibility, this is always everybody's favorite part with the Camaro. Let me start by saying a rear camera mirror will come standard on the ZL1. So,
and then just press and hold the remote start. Here it starts up real fast and then kind of quiets down a little bit. But you get those LED tail lamps there. Sounds really good. HD video, you've been able to verify the quality, condition, and of course cleanliness of this car. Very clean all the way around. Those HID headlamps, LED running lights, and the LED running lights down there. Very nice car. I didn't see any major flaws on it anywhere. And under the hood we have the Supercharged 6.2 liter V8 LT4 engine, 650 horsepower engine base, very clean, runs very smooth. And once again, this car has been fully safetied and inspected by our service shop. 2023 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. This is stock number 14617Z. Has the 6.2 liter supercharged V8 engine. Puts out 650 horsepower. It is paired up with the 10-speed automatic transmission. This car has been fully safetied and inspected by our service shop. Has a fresh oil and filter change. All the fluids have been checked and topped off, and this car is 100% ready to go. A look inside the trunk. Here's a quick peek of the interior. You do get a power passenger seat. Coming around to the back, rear bumper's in great shape. You get the backup parking sensors, the quad-tipped dual rear exhaust. Those are in really nice shape. Rear bumper is absolutely perfect. Didn't see any scuffs or scrapes or cracks on there. And up front, we get the ZL1 red and black Alcantara and leather seats. These are Recaros. You get the ZL1 badge on the backrest, side curtain airbags. Both these front seats are power. And you get OnStar and SOS buttons and map lights up there.
You like this video, right? So do consider subscribing my channel.